pretty early in the morning and I'm in Hickson in this kind of industrial estate, Alpha Manufacturing, where they do a lot of manufacturing, particularly welding. So I'm meeting someone called Chloe, who's a welder. She's got her very own container and I'm going to join her in there right now. I love this throne. Chloe the welder, this is definitely your container. Ooh. It's good. Freezing, but that's so cool. Honestly, engineers, spanners, it's a lovely marriage. Will you teach me to weld?
Of course I can.
Yeah?
Yes. Well, I've got you a nice pair of overalls.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get you my funky air-fed mask.
Okay.
We've got an extractor in place as well.
Air-fed mask?
Yes. So it's a respirator. Obviously, when you're welding, loads of fumes come off it. They're very nasty. We don't want you breathing them in.
That looks really cool.
It is my favourite.
What is it?
It's just a flip mask, this is. So it's
Darth
Miller
Vader.
Digital. More Darth Vader style.
Ooh. How cool is that? I'm loving this. I can see why you're into welding. This is cool. All right. Yeah.
So that's my TIG machine. That's the Dynasty. And this is my Migmatic.
What's the difference?
So the difference basically, I'll just show you. So the torch for a MIG welder is that. So you have your wire and your gas coming out of your nozzle. And then for the TIG welder, you've got your tungsten, which is your electrode. And you have to add in filler rod if you want more of a profile on it.
It sounds very advanced. Like, can we go back to basics? Can you explain to me what is welding?
Welding is basically the fusion of two metals together using molten metal. So you'll be heating it up to certain amps that you set your machine at and produce a very nice strong weld, keeping it together.
This actual container being metal, would it have been welded or?
Yes, definitely. Everywhere there's welding and only a welder will be able to pick that up. But after today, you won't be able to go anywhere without checking out the weld. See, there's welding everywhere. Even in the fridges there'll be some. Yes, nice bit of fusion.
It's going to change my life.
It'll change your life.
Ooh, I can see sparks flying already. Yay, thank you so much. What we're going to see now is close-up folding, welding and grinding and actually figuring out what that even means.
So we do a lot of mesh stuff as well, like all these doors and things.
I've seen mesh before, but I can't picture where that would go.
Big computer server cabinet, and I don't just mean like at home, big offices, big servers, like Wi-Fi boxes, what will power a city or something like that. So they go all over the world. I think they're mainly based in Texas.
Do you know why? The reason why they need the mesh is to let air flow through it, because if you've got Wi-Fi boxes, you know, hard drives, they start to really heat up. So if it's full of holes, the air will allow it for that heat to dissipate. Robot alert. It just looks so easy.
It makes it look easy.
What do you think about robots?
It just blows me mind how that can be programmed.
Yeah, like there's so much engineering every step of the way, from like the mechanics of getting the arm right and soft there, but then strong, and it's kind of like going to your artist studio. That's what I love about this. It's really it's like the creative side of engineering.
You can either go straight with it, or you can make a little weave with it. But we'll get the extractor on. Yeah, if you press it, and then add it in.
I just wrote my name. Thank God my name is just 5 letters long. And it looks like I'm called Splodge, while Chloe's thinking about what we do next. This is why we wear steel toe cap boots, basically ruining what is my very first try. We're literally just trying to find bits of metal to weld together. We're going to turn it into a flower.
So that's because you've touched down and you stayed on there, it can spit back at you.
Ta-da!
Are you proud?
I'm really proud of that.
So you should be, yeah.
Our final result, a rose on its stem on a plate with Chloe and my signature. First time welding.
You did really well.
Love it.
See, there's welding everywhere. I think they're spot welded. Oh, these will be TIG welded. It's going somewhere in public, you have to make sure that there's no sharp edges or anything like that. Like all these, that's all welded. I'm gonna guess it's TIG welded.
Got some food. Chloe's still in there somewhere. She found a trolley that had a bit of welding that she wants to sort out. Today was so amazing. Being able to weld and actually get my hands stuck into the actual process has changed the way I can spot welding in our everyday lives. It's opened up what manufacturing is, from seeing the sheets to the punched holes to the folded this and that. I mean, manufacturing is such an important part of engineering, and what Chloe is doing is so fundamental to that. And to think that she actually got into this industry all through an apprenticeship just adds to my total respect for her and the industry.